Start by saying Bismillah. Sit on the floor when eating. Always try to eat together. Make sure to eat with your right hand. Eat from the side which is nearest to you. Make sure to use 3 fingers when eating. Don't criticize any food regardless of its taste. And always compliment tasty food with words of praise. Never throw any food that falls on the floor, rather clean it and eat it. Be careful of overeating and try to eat only which is necessary. Lick your fingers after you have finished eating. Try to finish all food in the plate and not leave anything behind. End your meal by praising Allah.